Study bottle today.
I finished of projects. Yeah. Maybe in the future I might create some new projects. But now today we're gonna learn how to do stuff. So we're gonna look. So move 10 steps, you know what it does. Look. So just press it. Look, it moves 10 steps. Very easy. Then turn this thing. Yeah, it just turns. Then you can just put move step there. Yeah. Then turn like this is right. This is left. And then go to random position. You already know that. It's very easy. And then go to X position 140. So if you don't know what does it do, then it actually tells the position of where's your project. Let me show you an example. The backdrops. Okay. Just wait. Look. So this is 0, 0. And 0, 0 means original. So it's like X is 0, Y is 0. Which means that he is in the middle. So let me just put that in 0. And that's gonna be in 0, look. Wait, oh. See, now it's in 0. If you just move it there, yeah, like that. Okay. Glide to random position means it's gonna glide to random position. Look. So it's like going to a random position, but it does not teleport like this. Look. Oh, sorry. So it does not teleport like that. It glides, like it moves to the random position. Then glide to glide 1 seconds to 52x 52, yeah, like that. So this is like how speed this is gonna be. Putting 10 means slower. Oh, let's put in another position. Look, now it's going slower. If you put like negative 10, then it's gonna go very speed. So let's put it here. Oh, it looks like teleported because it's going too speed. Let me show you like negative 1. Negative, actually 5.
Mine is 5.
So let's put that.
Nope.
Look. Oh, wait, why is it teleporting? Wait, I just got some problems. Negative 1. Oh, okay. I did a little mistake. Negative 1. Then look. So just look. Yeah, I did not know that. Sorry. Point in direction, you know, you can just point in direction wherever you want. There. Yeah. You can see it's not pointing direction yet. Since you have to press it or like put this, so when you press this, it's gonna do that. Okay. Point towards mouse pointer. So then let me just do that. Look, it's now gonna point towards the mouse pointer. That's what we also use in Fuzzy Cat, right? So let me just put that there. Here today I'm actually using tablet. So look, it's pointing towards my finger. It's gonna, just not forever. Let me set the forever block and show you. Look, now it's pointing at my finger, which is my mouse pointer. It's gonna follow my finger. That's the thing that we used in Fuzzy Cat. If you didn't watch it yet, then watch it. Okay. Then change X by 10. So the X is actually like where it's supposed to be. Look, this is X. This this line is X, and this straight line is Y, and this ground line is X. So let me show you. It's gonna like move like by like 10. Like it's like moving 10 steps. It's like kind of like move 10 steps. But if you wanted to go here, then of course you need -7, yeah, like that. Then there, it's now going the other direction. Okay, set X to, you already would know this. So just put there. Look, it just goes to the position you told. It's gonna stay here. So if you put it here, then bam. Look, it's gonna come here. But you also kind of really need it, because you can see that wherever I move it, that's the place it goes. Look, that's the place of where hide goes. So you already heard me. This just change Y by 10. -10 is gonna move it down. Let me just show you. Look, that's going down. Okay, you would know what does the set Y does, so let me move them. Just like straight and down, up and down. If one edge bounce, yeah, it's actually kind of a problem. So it's not moving, that's why it's not working. So let me just put it here. Look, see, it bounced. Let me put it again here. Let's move it there. See, it's like, if it is on the edge, which is like here. Yeah, those are the edges. So if it is on the edge, it's gonna bounce. Next, set rotation left to right style. So this is actually very useful. So when it is moving and then it touches the edge, it's gonna bounce right. But then the problem is that it's gonna like let me show you. Yeah, it's like oh my god. Type it. Okay, look, it like flips over. Oh my god. Sorry for the deception. Yeah, it just like flips over when you turn it. That's why you really need the set left to right rotation. So if it is touching the edge, it's not gonna like flip over like last time. Like this. It's gonna do. Then it's not gonna flip over, because they will just bounce. So let me just show you. Okay, no. So X position. Yeah, oh my gosh. Why is it not? Oh, it's stage, sorry. So this is the X position. You actually really need it. If you don't know why is it the circle, you'll see. Repeat X position, yeah, like that. It's gonna do nothing. Of course. So we actually need this for other blocks. We don't know what are these things. They just like show where's the position. Yeah. And then you can just ignore those other numbers that actually happens. Just hide this. Oh no, actually I can just, yeah. So let me show you that. Now we're in the looks group. So you know what does this do? Say hello for 2 seconds. Hello? Say hello. Yeah, it kind of like, it's gonna do it forever. Think for 2 seconds. Yeah, it's gonna think. Oh, plus it does this 2 dots here, like making it look like it's thinking. Think, yeah, it's gonna do it forever. Switch costume. So there are actually costumes of them. You know that? So let me show you the costume of the cat. So look, this is the other costume. If you don't know why are they like kind of same, we actually use it for the animation. So there. Then this is the next costume, which that's why we really need it for the costume. Yeah, it's gonna like go to next costume every second to make it like an animation. Next, set backdrop to X grid. Yeah. So the athletes, the backdrop also have costumes. Let me show you. Wait, oh my god. There. Okay, where is it? Look. So this backdrop does not has any costume, of course. Oh, let me come to Victor. So look, it has no like theme. So you can just add as many backdrops you want to the costume. There. Then next, change color effect by what was it? Next backdrop. Yeah, next backdrop, change size by 10. Yeah, it's gonna change the size. Let me just show you. Just span click this. Yeah, it gets a big. Then set size to 100%. Yeah. So now it's in size 100. Put it to any number like 1. Yeah. Then it's gonna do that. Okay. Just ignore that. Then change color by effect by 25 means you would know. It's like gonna change the color randomly. It's like gonna kind of change it. Oh yeah, I kind of forgot. There's also a fish eye, look. Yeah, that happens. Then this happens if you put whirl. It's gonna whirl up. Then this is pixelated, which is actually kind of very weird. Mosaic. Oh wait. Okay, let me just reset the character first.
Yes.
Sorry, I kind of made it too big. The scratch cats. Cat. So look, it's gonna do this. If you put mosaic. Yeah, this happens. I know the effects are kind of weird. Oh, I kind of forgot. Oh yeah. Let me start reset this. There. Okay. Now of course we need this. Oh sorry. It's a color. So now next is brightness. It's gonna become very bright. Yeah, it actually does that. Set brightness to 0 there. Now this is the ghost. It's like a melted thing. Oh, I put 0. Just put 45. Yeah. So look, it like makes it like melt. Oh, plus there's also a change button. Look. So it's gonna show you it's changing. It's not like gonna teleport the thing, yeah. So now I'm gonna show you it's changing. Okay, ghost effect. Okay, next. Clear graphic effects, you would know what does this do. So we just put this there. Sorry, okay. There. Now if you press this, look. Now it's gonna clear the effects. What did happen? Then you know the show hide and look, it's gonna hide you. So hide it just hides it. We actually kind of need it. If you don't know, yeah. Go to font layer, back layer, yeah. I had not actually learned this stuff first, so yeah. Just ignore those two. Costume, yeah, I don't also know that. Size, you would already know, just shows the size. Backdrop, yeah, it shows the number of the backdrop costume. Number, yeah, I don't know quite. So play Mew sound after done. Oh wait, what happened? Oh, my volume. Let's put the volume up. Look, it makes those sounds. Did you hear it? Okay. Now start Mew sound. Actually kind of saying stop all sounds, you will already know that. happens. Sorry, the volume is kind of too much. Yeah, it's gonna change the pitch. So now look. Okay, now let's put this. Now look. Okay, let me spam this.
I know.
Okay, now let me do this. The pen left, right, I don't know what does it actually quite does. Okay, you know what would just do it, just clear the sound effects, what happened. Change volume, you already know what does volume mean. And the cat volume just shows the volume of it. So yeah, now we're in the sounds part. Wait, actually, are we? The events, I mean. Yeah, the events. So yeah, it's like a conditionals. If you don't know what do I mean, oh yes, not conditionals. Okay. So when something happens, then it's gonna do something else. Look. So when the green flag means start is clicked, then it's gonna do something. And then when the space key is clicked, it's gonna do something, of course. When the sprite is clicked, it's gonna do something. When backdrop switches, it's gonna do something. And do
means it's gonna the loudest gonna keep changing. The one I receive message one actually this is with broadcast, a theme with broadcast. So yeah. So when I let me just do something. Okay, so it's like sprites was so when something happened, it's gonna tell the other sprite to do something else. So look, when there. So when this is clicked, it's gonna broadcast message one. Wait, let me just duplicate this. Duplicate. Okay, now let me delete this. So when this is clicked, yeah. Then when this cat who received the message, what it tells actually the message one, it's like yeah, you can just add new messages like they're not gonna tell anything, you cannot hear it. So yeah, look. So when something happens, then it's gonna do something, and then the other sprite is gonna do something else. Look. So when I receive message one, then it's gonna type me as. So this is actually the other sprite doing it. Oh, plus if you just do like this, yeah, you don't know what will happen. Oh, actually nothing would happen. Yeah. So now, oh, which one? Which one? Okay. So yeah, this is the thing, and then broadcast message one. Wait, it's gonna wait. Wait 1 second. We actually kind of need this for animations and conversation. I know this is a long video. I'm just making you learning. So yeah, it's gonna repeat 10 times. So it's gonna move 10 times. Look, it's gonna repeat 10 times the move step. Let me just move this here. Look, see. Okay. Now you the forever block, you would know what would it do. We actually kind of need it. So move 10 steps there. Wait, let me move this thing. This cat. There. Look, now it's gonna just move 10 steps forever. To bring you bad cat here. Bad girl. Then if something happens, then it's gonna do something like, so if touching something, then it's gonna do something. Let me show you an example. Something. So if it is touching the mouse pointer, then put the meow sound. Where's the meow sound? That's in the looks. Oh. Oh yeah, it's in the sound. Sorry, mistake. So when touching the mouse, now let's add this. Of course, why not? Look, it's now touching my mouse pointer. Then it's gonna play neon.
Okay, also.
So why is it not working? Oh yeah, I kind of need a forever block. Yeah. So yeah, you have to immediately hit. Sorry. So yeah, if it's not forever, then yeah, you would know what would happen. Yeah, then it's gonna like if it is touching something that's yeah. Shit. God. Oh, okay, look. Nothing's happening because you have to immediately do it. Look. You have to immediately. Then if then so there's something there that, like imagine there's like some food here, but you don't know if there's actually food. So when it goes, the cat goes to it and it checks food because if it just eat, what is it gonna eat? So else, if there's no food, then it's gonna do something. Don't you see this else connected to the if? Yeah. Wait until something happens. You would know that. Repeat until. So it's gonna do something else until something happens. We don't need this example. Stop. Or you would know what would happen. Yes. You don't have to know that. When I start as a clone, we actually sometimes cloned ourselves. The clone, create the clone of myself. When, yeah, look. Okay, now let's add something weird. See, it's not working. Well, it's not working because yeah, there's actually something you have to do, which I don't actually quite know. Touching, yeah, you actually needed the like touching edge, touching color, touching color is touching green, yeah, like that. So it's gonna ask what's your name and wait. So look, what's your name? Ask what's your name, right? So actually, it's been a long time since I haven't said. So my name is Saihan. Look, it just asked. So it's like the math quiz. If the answer is wrong, it's gonna do something like sorry you're incorrect, and then yeah, if it's correct, then it's gonna add a score, and you're correct. The answer, yeah, you know that if the answer is correct, yeah, key space, yeah. There's if the key space is pressed, then it's gonna do something. Mouse down. I hadn't actually learned these, so let's just leave these. It's a draggable mode, so in full screen you can drag it now. Look, you actually cannot do that. Wait, let me show you. Draggable. Okay, now look. Oh, I kind of just mistake. Wait, not draggable there. Now let's press it. No, look, you cannot actually drag. But in editor mode, you can actually drag, even when drag mode is off. Now loudness. So if the loudness is 5, then yeah, then there's a timer, which I was trying to actually use it, but I could not. Too bad, too sad. Reset timer. Don't reset the timer. Backdrop of stage. I actually don't know. I don't even know this. The here. Yeah, I don't actually know this. Username Saihan11423111. So it's gonna tell your username. My username Saihan114311, which is actually true. In the code scratch, and then yeah, so you can add 1 plus 1. So it's gonna like yeah we actually I had not learned that yet also. Also I did not learn this and this. But I did learn some things. So pick random. It's gonna pick random until a number to number. So now I know these blocks. If the answer is less than 50, then oh you're an adult. Yeah, it's like 18 plus 18 minus, and then if the answer is equal that answer, then yeah, it's correct. And you would already know. So it's like gonna the or
I don't
it's
know
gonna
what
give
did
two
it happen.
questions or like would you rather? Do you know that game is like do something or this and then you would already know this and it's like the join block not not touching so if it's not touching the thing then it's gonna die or something like that. I'm just joking. It is like that. I'm just telling an example. Join, yeah, we actually need this very much. So it's like gonna do something next with the adjective. Okay, letter. Yeah, I hadn't learned that. I did not learn that. I did not learn that yet. I did not learn that. I did not learn that. I did not even learn that. Yeah, but two said I don't know. Variables. Okay, in the variable. You see, make a variable. It's like the score. Oh, I'm going to show you the variable like later. To set my variable means like the variable is the name. So hide my variable, show my variable. So do you actually know that I don't actually every time show the variable? Yeah, like random. Change my variable. So the variable is actually like you can name. It can be score anything. So the number changes, but the name never changes. Like my variable, you know that. Then make a list, make a block. I don't actually quite know that. So now let me show you one of my projects I had made. Go here.
Okay, let's delete this thing. Okay, so this is our CD. Okay, you'll see what will happen.
Hello, I am Siri. What's your name?
So it's gonna tell what's your name first. So my name is Saihan. Or you can put any name. Look, let's put Sia.
Nice to meet you, Sia. Please tell me your age.
Okay, now let's
Hello,
see.
I am Siri. What's your name?
Now if I put Saihan, it's gonna put nice to meet you, Saihan.
Nice to meet you, Saihan. Please tell me your age.
My age is actually 8. There.
Oh, you were a kid.
Oh no, wait, I'm not 8. Oh, it was I kind of forgot. It doesn't matter. So my mood. So if you put happy, it's gonna put a happy song.
What's your name?
Oh, wait. Oh.
Hello, I am Siri. What's your
I
name?
did a little mistake. Sorry. Wait. Saihan.
Nice to meet you, Saihan. Please tell me your age.
I just put a random number.
Oh, you are an adult.
What's your mood? If you put happy, it's gonna put the. And just ignore about the age 81. Just actually ignore it. So yeah, sorry this video is very long, but yeah, it's like learning. I do classes up to 1 hour. That's why I thought it's like, don't worry, no problem. Oh, so goodbye, have a good time, have a great day, bye.